Hey RV YouTubers, we're off to IKEA. Day trip!
As you make your grand entrance, please be in step.
This is my favorite person!
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready to go against the arrows.
Okay.
I'm causing trouble today. I've never been to an IKEA, nor has Miss Barbara.
Well, in the interest of full disclosure, the first time we went to an IKEA, we actually went in the exit over there.
So you did go against the grain.
We had no idea.
We're gonna go against the grain.
Then we
We're gonna
walked
have
in there
fun.
and said, "Is that it?" And then we walked around the corner and said, "Oh, that's not it."
Oh, that's not
So
it.
I'm not going to tell you what we saw. That way, we can save it for you later.
All right, here we go. All right, that's it, baby. We need that right there, and we're done. We found what we needed.
We don't need that.
The IKEA Store app is currently shopping in stores smooth and simple. From planning your visit to finding and remembering everything when you get there, this is the perfect shopping companion. Download the app today.
Yeah, you know you have to measure everything. I didn't realize
You're ready.
we were getting swag.
It's an adventure. Oh my gosh.
You're not oh my gosh yet.
I'm oh my gosh and already. Look at that. Look over there.
Oh, that's the restaurant. We're going to hit that. Don't worry. Just don't hit the floor.
So what are y'all looking for?
Nothing?
Nothing?
We're looking for a desk.
Okay.
The desks are going to be all in one area as you follow through.
I had no earthly idea. I simply thought IKEA was a cheap furniture store for college kids. I really did. Because all the college kids go, we got to go to IKEA and get a desk.
Well, the cool thing you see up ahead there, like it says on the wall there, it says 592 square feet. They do have different displays set up in small areas with furniture and how, so you can actually get an idea how it would look in small spaces. You know, like an RV.
Like an RV. 210 square feet.
So that's twice as big right there.
And they're playing Kenny Chesney. How can you beat that? They're playing Kenny Chesney. You know what the first thing was we did before we got out of the car? We both checked all of our bank accounts.
That's always a good thing.
And check our balances and say, okay, this is our budget.
Oh, they have a credit card you can apply for too. So.
Sure they do.
I'll take care of you.
Time for the MJ test. Where's the toilet paper hanger?
Must be $1 million RV.
It's price dependent. Right. That's what it is. Honey, can you bring me some TP?
Well, he'll be occupied for hours.
Where's the train?
Oh.
They knew you would sit down.
See a collapsible colander over there.
Yeah, I've got a couple of those in the RV.
They're thinking about RVers right there.
Mm-hmm.
See, look at that. 0% interest for 24 months.
Do y'all secretly work for IKEA? Y'all seem to be selling us on their credit program.
Can't confirm nor deny. But you know, as RVers, you've always got to find an angle.
That's
Side
really a
gig.
great idea because like Michael's going to be looking for an apartment.
Pay for the habit.
And there you go. What a perfect place. I mean, just to get an idea of how to set things up, ideas of things to do because he's going to be limited on his space.
Right.
I'm good. Okay, I got a bag because it has begun. That is a great price. And it's a 3.4 amp.
Oh, that's good.
It's very good. 3 outlets, $8, $7.99. You can't even beat that at the dollar store.
What is a Heidi?
Heidi. That is a string that's used to, well, let's just say it's a string used under the kilt to take up the slack.
There we go.
That's a Heidi.
Swedish for welcome.
I'm sorry, it's Swedish for welcome.
Oh,
Whatever.
Boulder Dash. Sit down right there, Miss Barbara.
You have to make a call on that.
Is it adjustable in height?
Yeah,
Just reach under and see if there's no height adjustment. Which is going to go straight down if you pull it, so be careful.
No, but see, this thing, maybe it turns it.
Here's one.
It looks like it might screw up.
Man, that's not turmeric. The same brand are over there.
For grown-ups,
Yeah, those are grown up. These are kids.
I like the colors though.
Well, they have the same colors over there.
But we have an RV, we just need something really small,
Oh, okay.
just to temporarily sit on.
So you know,
That's almost perfect.
Especially like this one here.
It looks like it screws. You can screw it, so you gotta keep spinning it, raise it, lower it.
It's already much taller than the other one.
I just like the way that the footprint takes up such small space, as opposed to the bigger.
I can sit in the child's chair.
I mean, something like this.
But these are, yeah. And these are adjustable height, like you see right
And I
there.
tell you what this would do if you had a chair like this. It forces you to sit up straight.
It does.
Instead of slumping.
Or fall over.
Or fall just completely off of it.
$15.
It's gracious.
Now how this works, you see the numbers here on the bottom, right here? Aisle and bin.
That's where you find
That's where you write it down. That's where they gave you that.
Oh, okay.
So you can go find it. It's already boxed up, so you go find it on your way out.
Well, what we'll do is we'll look at the desk first and then come back and match a couple of chairs to it.
And it says it's a speaker, but I don't think it's a speaker because there's nothing plugged into it. But if you need you a floodlight,
It's a color. It's all kind of handle. It looks like a battle lantern
Yeah.
off a ship.
yeah, I know. Gotta get the prop light. Don't think it's bad.
5. Too many moving parts.
Just write it down. Oh, you took a picture of it, didn't you?
I did on this, but I just want to make sure. Let's see. 51 and 5/8 is going to be the height. No, that's going to be the width.
Yeah. The height doesn't say.
Height on it is going to be right at 30 inches.
Yeah.
So, if we want to find one that's about the same height, we go with 30 inches. Otherwise, we get one of them big ones.
Did you find your desk?
We found our desk. Look at this. Got our drawers. It's 51 inches wide. We have 75 inches to play with where the dinette used to be. So we're going to get a filing cabinet, either the same height or maybe a tall one to go in the corner of the RV. And look at this. Cable wrangling. Hide all of your power strips, hide all of your adapters. Hey, it's even shock absorber. Watch that. Look at that.
Soft close.
Look. So now we're looking at filing cabinets, and Miss Barbara is checking out the facilities.
We actually got two choices here. We have two different door configurations. They're the same overall size.
I don't think we will ever have a situation where we need the filing, not in the RV. So I think the doors. So the question is, this, that. How tall is it?
How was it?
It was incredible. It was like visiting the biggest, I went to the largest supermarket up in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania one time, a Harris Teeter. It just went on and on and on and on and had everything in the world. This has got more. A couple of restaurants in there, everything you can think of. And it's kind of tiring too. They know what they're doing when they put the restaurant halfway through it.
Right.
Give you a chance to take a break, get yourself something to eat, refresh, and head on to round two, then go downstairs, pick up everything. What did we get, Miss Barbara?
Oh, you got a desk. You've got a filing cabinet storage thing. I got a chair so that I'm not sitting on the floor. And you got a new chair. And we got some knickknacks. What else did we get?
Well, they got some plants and some chocolate, some Swedish chocolate.
Absolutely.
It's like the German chocolate Clay bought us. He said it's German chocolate, authentic chocolate. And then
All the way from Germany.
All the way from Germany, and then a couple of weeks after Christmas, we went down to Publix and bought the same thing. So. But anyway, we want to thank y'all for bringing us over to IKEA and opening our eyes to one incredible shop, because I had a whole different mindset of IKEA. I thought it was just cheap college kid furniture, you know, and we don't have any IKEAs near where we live. Atlanta would be the closest one, and here we are in Tampa. And we've had a great time at IKEA, but we also had a wonderful time with you guys over the past 4 days, 5 days, I guess it is now.
Yeah.
And we're going to leave this parking lot and head back to the camp, grab our RV and head north.
Yeah,
and
don't forget
eventually,
Matilda.
Like goodbyes.
what's that?
Don't forget Matilda.
No, we got to go get Matilda.
That's the reason we're going.
But you guys will be in town for 3 more weeks at least, and then
2
some
more weeks,
Disney.
yeah.
3 more weeks, and then Disney.
Yep.
All right. Well, it's been a pleasure. God bless you guys.
Come over, man. I ain't got your number yet.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, you also need to show this off.
Oh, yeah. Here we go.
True IKEA.
No, it was true IKEA that you wouldn't be room for anything else in there.
Like the guy next to us.
Exactly.
He was fitting it in like Tetris. Every box had to fit.
We've done that.
Yep.
Yeah.
We've done that.